sleeping, my fortnight decade. When I heard you cry out something, a word that sounded like a name, and it hurts me more than I can bear, knowing parts of you I'll never share, never know. There was nothing to fear. Christmas 14 years. Want to left me aside, but you still want to hide.